Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody asked me a pretty good question, how to rotate this shape and get it to fit correctly. Well, I don't know. There's probably a couple of ways to do it. But if we take an ellipse, and doesn't matter really what size, and hit P, take a 2-point line and hit P, and rotate that line 45 degrees. That's going to be our intersection point. It even says intersection. Control D and make a duplicate and get the X and put it right on that mark. Take these and just delete them. Now, well, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I said I'd just not put in the interactive fill tool. I'm going to get the 3-point line. I'm going to go from that intersection to that. You know what I want to do first? I'm going to group this together. And I wonder if we put that in the center. Anyway, let's try this first. 3-point line from that intersection. Hold down the control button and go about a third. 3-point line, hold down the control button and get about a third. Now, let's go ahead and group all that together. And let's take the interactive or the smart fill tool. Let's use a different color. And I'm going to go blue, and I'm nudging them out of the way just for grins. I'm going to get the first one. I'm going to go interactive fill tool, and I'm not going to care about the color. This is more about the rotation. So I'm going to do just backwards. See, there's an age-old problem. If you don't click on your new subject, the interactive fill tool is going to get to your last subject. And like I said, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. Now, let's group that together and nudge it back. Control D to duplicate it, rotate it 120 degrees. Move it out of the way. Grab that node and put it right there on that intersection. Control D, 240 degrees. I'd always take it away, grab that node, and have it snap to that intersection. Now we can take away our lines because they're grouped together. So it doesn't matter what size you start with, just go at a 45-degree angle, and that is your anchor point. Anyway, I hope it helped that person and somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.